Be ready for the dictation. Start. Section 37 of the Indian Evidence Act provides that in order to ascertain whether a writing is that of the person by whom it purports to have been written, any writing admitted or proved to the satisfaction of the court to have been written by that person may be compared with the one which is to be proved although that signature writing has not been produced or proved for any other purpose. Stop. Para 2 of the section provides that the court may direct any person present in court to write in words or figures for the purpose of enabling the court to compare words or figures alleged to have been written by such person. Stop. In the course of criminal proceedings before a magistrate, the prosecution alleged that one of the basic documents which was of vital importance to establish the case against the accused was in the handwriting of the accused, but it could not be compared by the handwriting expert with any specimen writing of the accused because the latter avoided to give such any specimen writing, and that in the interest of justice the court should direct him to give his specimen writing. Stop. Exercising the court's power under Section 73 of the Indian Evidence Act, the magistrate directed the accused to give his specimen handwriting to have it examined by a handwriting expert. Stop. Revision preferred by the accused was dismissed by the Sessions Judge. Stop. The High Court in the revision petition filed by the accused held that the only purpose for which a court may direct any person present in the court, including the accused person, to write words is to enable the court to compare the words and figures with any words and figures alleged to have been written by such person, but where the purpose is to enable any of the parties to have the words so written compared from a handwriting expert of that party, the second paragraph of Section 73 would have no application. Stop. The High Court therefore held that the order of the magistrate was beyond the scope of Section 73. Stop. Allowing the appeal, held the magistrate did not act beyond the scope of Section 73 of the Evidence Act or in a manner which is not legal. Stop. The two paragraphs of Section 73 are not mutually exclusive but complementary to each other. Stop. The sample writing taken by the court under the second paragraph of Section 73 is in substance and reality the same thing as admitted written within the purview of the first paragraph of Section 73. Stop. The first paragraph does not specifically say by whom such comparison may be made, but such comparison may be made by a handwriting expert, Section 45, or by one familiar with the handwriting of the person concerned, Section 47, or by the court. Stop. The section should be read as a whole in the light of Section 45. Stop. Thus, read it is clear that a court holding an inquiry under the Code of Criminal Procedure in respect of an offence triable by itself or by the Court of Session does not exceed its powers under Section 73 if in the interests of justice it directs an accused person to give his simple writing to enable the same to be compared by a handwriting expert chosen or approved by the court. It is immaterial whether the expert's name was suggested by the prosecution or the defense, because even in adopting this course, the purpose is to enable the court to compare the disputed writing with his admitted writing and to reach its own conclusion with the assistance of an expert. Full stop. Over.